Hello, this is Adnan Sunny from Sunny Enterprises. In this video, I will give you some idea about the miniature modular valves being used and occupying minimum space. As you can see, this is the circuit diagram of this system. And you can see there's directional control valve, and 3-position 4-way direction spring-centered coil operated directional control valves. After which there are pilot operated check valve, and then the flow control valve, and then the pressure relief valve. So this miniature modular valve system, it is using minimum hydraulic pipelines and minimum space. So they are also called the stack valves. And this is the directional valve. In pictorial diagram you can see it in this. This is the directional control valve with coils on both ends, and this is the spool which is controlled by the current in the coils. Could be 220 volts, 110 volts, or 24 volt DC, whatever is the requirement. And this one is the pilot operated check valves. Under the pilot operated check valve, which is a schematic diagram of the check valve is this, and from inside you can see there are 2 check valves in both on port A and port B. And after the check valve there is flow control valves, which are this is the control valve after the check valve and directional valve. This flow control valve is with check valve and control valve in one unit. You can adjust flow with these 2 knobs. And after that you have pressure relief valve. Now this is the pressure relief valve, is spring and puppet. And here is the schematic diagram of the pressure relief valve. Spring is adjustable, this spring is adjustable, and hence you can see there is motor, pump comes in this port, pressure port. Here this is the pressure port P, tank A, B. Now the first is the subplate. This is the subplate on which we have a pressure relief valve, we have flow control valve, pilot check valve with check valve, then we have pilot operated check valve, then we have directional control valve. Now this is controlling, the whole system is controlling the operation of this double acting cylinder. This is A port cylinder and this is B port. As you can see, here is B, T, and A and B port. This A and B port is connected, is the A port and B port. And so this is A port, this is B port. So you can understand. Double acting cylinder, this is the schematic diagram of the reservoir, and this one is the return line filter. This is the hydraulic pump schematic diagram, electric motor, and pressure gauge and isolator. This is isolator, this is pressure gauge. Also solenoid operated directional control valve, like we said today. And this is hydraulic circuit using miniature valves. Hydraulic lovers must know this, and they need to know which is the best application for these type of valves, as they are using minimum space, minimum pipings, so there are minimum maintenance points which can occur. And please feel free to contact me on my WhatsApp number 0092 is the country code, 312-4225-402. 24/7, 365 days helpline, free hydraulic helpline. Adnan Sunny, my email is adnan_sunny@yahoo.com, sunnyadnan@gmail.com. As you can see also, there are the coloring, different coloring, so which represent different pressure, oil pressures. Thank you for watching. Hydraulic is beautiful as these flowers are.